So I have this STIHL BG 55 leaf blower that someone was just giving away because it won't start. So I'm going to see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. It has fuel in it. The primer bulb is a little bit weak, but I'm going to take a look at the air filter. So to remove this cover on the air filter, there's this clip, and it has a couple of tabs on the end, and you just want to pinch those two tabs together and then slide the clip out. So just press those together and then the clip just slides out. Once the clip is clear of this bracket here, and then you can just slide it straight out. Here's the air filter, and you just want to take a hold of this little tab at the top and pull this straight back and slide it out. So you can see this air filter is pretty dirty. Probably not a lot of air getting through it, so I'm going to get a new one. So here's the new air filter, and I'm going to replace that. So to replace the air filter, make sure this tab is on top and just slip it back into the housing. Make sure it's seated all around. So you want to make sure the cover is clean inside. And then on the right side are these two tabs, and they go in first. Just slide them in. There's some slots in there that they will go into, and then line up the clip with the slot here and just push it in until the tabs snap in place. And then you just want to make sure that these tabs on the clip are snapped in place, locking it in. Okay, now I'm going to see if it will start.